many are how many are scaring about coding? Just respond. I'm scaring. I'm interested, but I'm scaring. I'm not confident. In my BTech C language, I was just by heart, sir. How many are? Yeah. So why I have asked this question? I've seen so many BTech students are going to bank jobs. I've seen so many BTech students are going to small government jobs. Then I have approached them. I asked them why. They're telling that we are scaring about coding. So I'm telling that programming is not easy, not tough. If you have a proper guidance and proper training, it is very, very easy that we are going to prove in this batch. Are you interested to become a good programmer? Come on, respond in chat window. Are you interested to become a good programmer? Come on, respond. Yes, I'm sure it is 20 to 25 sessions without missing single session. You follow my classes. I'll give you confidence and comfort in coding. You will say, I love programming. You will say, I like programming. 100% guarantee I give you. Don't worry. Don't worry about fear and scaring about coding. It's my promise to every student who are attending this class will enjoy the coding. No doubt. But 1 hour per day, give me 20 to 25 days. Enough. Even though the day is important work for you, just skip that work, attend my class without missing. Are you giving that word to me? Are you giving that word to me? Come on, guys. Respond in chat window. Hi. Yeah. Without, even though you have tomorrow academic exam also, give that 1 hour time to my class. This 20 to 25 Python classes. I am giving a participation, core Python participation certificate to all the students. All the students. This video is getting recorded with camera and screen recording, will be uploading into YouTube. You don't worry. You don't worry. You don't worry. These classes is going to upload into YouTube. Don't worry. Right. So now, yeah, just give me a word that we are going to attend the classes regularly. Right. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. Let's start our classes. What is Python? What is Python? Before that, I'm telling you why coding is important, sir. Why I should learn coding? Why? Because total society, total world is dominating by software industry. Majority of the jobs are there in software industry. That is the reason we have to learn coding. Sir, I am going for non-coding. When you go for software job, coding if you have, that will give you high salaries. That is the reason. Don't skip, don't avoid coding, don't scare about coding. It's my word, my promise to every student who are attending right now. 585 students are there in the class. For every student, I'm giving a promise that you learn programming, you'll get a confidence. It's my word to you all. And end of these 2025 classes, you can visit my institute, you can collect your course completion certificate also. Right. So let's start Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. Right. So second question. Who can learn? Sorry. What are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites required to learn Python? What is your answer? Come on, respond in chat window. What is your answer? What is your answer? What you require to learn Python? Nothing, nothing, just interest. Interest. That's it. Just you should have fire to learn coding. That's it. Nothing, nothing. I'm telling you here one line. 6th class student onwards can learn this Python. 6th class. Are you clear? Right. Now, come back to our discussion. Right. From my team, who are there in the class? You can respond. Everunnaru. Team nunchi, mana office nunchi everunnaru. Ranjita, are you there?
Sir, ఉన్నాను sir.
Yeah. Andaru unnara?
Lakshmi.
Yes, sir, unnam.
Yeah. Okay, fine. And Miru students join out and you can share the WhatsApp links.
చేస్తున్నాం sir.
Are you sharing WhatsApp group links to all the students?
Yes, sir, చేసాం sir.
Yeah, all students, are you getting WhatsApp links in chat window?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you
Yes,
join
sir.
in that links.
Yes, sir.
You join in that links. Okay, right. Next, come back to our discussion. Yeah, come back to our discussion. Nothing. Just you should have a fire. You should have a fire to learn coding. Nothing. More than that, we don't require anything. Right. Who are introduced Python? Right. Anybody are having answer? Just respond in chat window. Who are introduced Python? Right. Guido van Rossum in 1989 from Netherlands. Guido van Rossum in 1989 from Netherlands. He was introduced to Python. The next question is, why Python is so popular in IT industry? Why Python is so popular in IT industry? Right. What is the reason? Why Python is so popular in IT industry? What is the reason? What is the reason? All of you, come on. Because Python is implementing in multiple areas like below. Number 1, data science. Number 2, data analytics. Number 3, machine learning. You use Python. Number 4, deep learning. Number 5, artificial intelligence. You will use Python here also. Number 6, and anything else, big data. Number 7, mobile applications development. 8, web applications. 9, AWS. 10, DevOps. 11, IoT means Internet of Things. Next, 12, testing. Testing also you will use Python scripting and so on. So Python is using in multiple areas, like all these areas, like means a data scientist, a data analyst, a machine learning programmer, deep learning person, AI, big data, mobile app development, web app development, a AWS developer, a DevOps, IoT person, a testing person is going to use Python. So that is the reason Python is so popular in IT industry. Are you clear? Are you clear up to your understood? Will you agree with this point? Come on, because wherever you go, People will say Python, Python. The reason is using in multiple places. Right. Now, next. Before, right, next. I have a question to you all. Now, one question is just text your qualification, your college name. AWS means Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. Right. Just text in chat window your qualification, you are from which college. That's it. 7th class, BTech first year, 2-4 BTech, BSc Vignan degree, 2-2 BTech, excellent, BTech second year, BTech completed, BTech first year, BTech second, BTech third degree. Okay, right. 7th class, 6th class onwards can learn MCA, MBA, degree, BTech, right. Right. Now, let's understand next. Let's understand. You can on your videos if you are attending class. Right. Let's understand next level. Let's understand the features of Python. Features of Python. Let's understand the features of Python. Right. Yeah. Number one, Python is very easy programming language. Very easy programming language. When you are learning, are you recording in your book, all of you? Whatever I'm writing, are you recording? Are you recording? Are you recording? Whatever I'm writing in my paper, my notepad, you record in your paper, right? Right. Now, Python is very easy programming language. For this, I give you a couple of examples. Example one. Example one. I give you a couple of examples. Example one. In C# and Java, if we want to write single line code, also we should write within main method. Within main method. That main method should be part of one class like below. Like public, I'm writing some C# or Java code. Java small code sample I'm writing here. You see. Public, I'm writing class, some class, my class. And within this, you have to write method, main method, static, void, main, string, args, and you write here your one line code. Here you write your one line code. One line code. To write that one line code also, we should define main method, and we should define that main method to be defined within the class. This much hangama is required. But whereas in Python code, we don't require. In Python, we don't require write main method. Let's see Python code here. You see, directly I'm showing Python code in Python code window. Whenever you install Python in your system, whenever you install Python in your system, whenever you install Python in your system, the Python will be like this. I've opened Python code window. Here you can see this is your Python IDE. Right, you can see this is your Python IDE. This is, you open this. You open this. Just I click this. Now your Python code window is open. You write some code here. Print hello. You'll get output. When you write the code here, you can see you are writing a line, print hello. Then you are getting output called hello. There is no main method. So that is the story. Very clear. For example, I show the code here again. I write in notepad to write yourself. Print hello. And your output is hello. Hello. No main method. That means when you write a code in Python, you don't require to write main method. That main method not required to be in any class. Now coming to see second example. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Let's understand. Are you clear with the previous example, all of you? I'll show you. I'll tell you how to install Python software. It is a 2 minutes process. You don't require to worry about it. Don't require to worry about it. Are you clear? Yes. I'm again telling that somebody is asking me to repeat. That is the first feature and the main feature of the Python is why majority of the platforms are using Python. Why? Because easy programming language. For this, I give a couple of examples. Example 1 here, in C# and Java, if you want to write single line code also, we should write that one line code within the main method. Within the one main method you need to write, and that main method to be part of a class. Here I have written a class called my class. So this is a syntax to write a class. Access modifier public, keyword class. Name of the class is what? My class. In this, I have to write method called main method and some brackets, some keywords called static and void, and it is a block. Here you need to write. That means if you want to write any code in C# or Java, that one line code also to be part of the main method. But in Python, we don't require to write main method like that. Just one line code you can write directly and you can see the output. Now, are you comfort with this? Are you comfort? Then where you will have that main method, sir? Where I'll tell you how in Python main method will be there or not. I'll tell you. Are you clear? Yes. Right. Okay, now right. Next example 2. Example 2. Let's see the example 2. Am I going fast? Am I going fast? Are you able to catch me? Are you able to catch me? Somebody are telling going, sir, bit slow. Yeah, I'll go slow. Don't worry. I go slow. Okay. Now come back to our discussion. Example 2. Coming to example 2. Sir, what is example 2 as? Yeah, in C# or Java, in C# or Java, in C# or Java, if we want to declare a variable variable, we should specify the data type, and we should specify the data type, and end of the statement should write semicolon. Should write semicolon. Should write, what is that? Semicolon. For example, C# or Java code will be like this. Int a equal to 10. You see, I'm declared a variable called a. What is the data type I have specified? Int means numerical data type, 10 is the value. A is the name of the variable, and semicolon. Here, what is happening, sir? You can ask me 1 minute. I'll on my digital pen, then I can draw a diagram also here if you want. So what's happening here? You know, a variable called a field is created. A field is created. What is the name of the variable? A. So a field is created here with the name called A. Then will assign here. But the data type is int. Int means it's called numerical data type. Here you want to represent numerical value. That's why you have declared the type of the variable as int. Are you clear? Hello? Are you clear? Understood? Now, but in Python, if we want to declare a variable, we don't require to specify the data type, and not required semicolon also. Let's see the Python code here. Let's see the Python code. A equal to 10 and print of A. Output is 10. Output is 10. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear? Now, this I will show you in my Python code window. In code window, you can see in my taskbar in my system, it is very clearly having an icon with one tooltip, IDLE Python. IDLE means development environment. Integrated development environment. My ID, Python ID. ID means where you write the program. You have .NET ID. In .NET, you have ID called where you write program is called Visual Studio. You can see in my taskbar, Visual Studio. It is a .NET ID. Like that, for Java, what are the IDs available? What are the IDs available in Java? Come on. Java ID, where you write the program in Java, Eclipse, NetBeans, like that. Are you clear? Right. Now come back to our discussion. Let me open my Python ID and to write that sample line of the code. Sample line of the code. Let's write that sample line of the code. Are you clear? I'm just expanding. Again, I'm opening and I'm writing the code. Right. You see, I'm writing here. A equal to 10 and print of A 10. Right. Are you clear? You got the output. Understood. Here, print is a Python built-in function like printf in C language. It's a brother of printf. In Python, it's called print in C printf. In C#.NET, console.writeline. In Java, system.out.println to print something. Are you clear? Now you see, there is no data type. You didn't declare any data type. for your variable called A, because in Python, programmer doesn't require to declare any data type. The data type will be automatically Python compiler will take as per the data what you are initializing. Right now you are initializing 10. That's why A will be treated as the 10 is numerical data. That's why it will treated as numerical data type. Numerical data type. I want to know what is this numerical data type of this A, sir. Type of A. Babu, I want to know the A data type. Say, simply saying that Babu, the A type is int. The A data type is what? Int. Are you clear here? Are you clear? In Python, in Python language, programmer doesn't require to declare the data type. The data type will be deciding based on the value which you are initializing. Here you are initializing a numerical value called 10. That's why that Python compiler is treating your variable A as int. Here type of is a function will return the given variable or value type. Are you clear? Are you clear? Hello? Understood about this? Yeah, this class is effectively recording. You don't worry about recording. I'm using a camera in front of, I have a camera. In back, you can see, I have green screen also. In my back, you can see, I have green screen. Green screen. You don't worry about completely recording. You don't worry about it. You can see my green screen also. We are going to upload these 2025 classes for especially BTech and engineering and MCA degree students to give programming confidence. My main goal is BTech students should not go to bank job. BTech students should not go to constable or small home guard jobs. So BTech students are spoiling their life because right now we are running some job guarantee programs in .NET platform. I have observed some of the students who came to us after 10 years of BTech. What they done these 10 years, bank job trials 4 years, gout job trials 4 years, like that they are wasting their valuable time. Why you have done all these things, we are asking the students. You can see my student interviews who got the jobs also after 10 years when they came to us. So main goal is the BTech or a degree or anyone can become a software engineer, easy to learn programming we want to prove. Right. Now immediately you got it out. Sir, what about B equal to 10.5? B equal to, I'm sorry, B equal to 1 minute. Let me open again. I declare a variable called B equal to 10.5 print of B. Then it will print 10.5. And what is the type of B? Can you guess what is the type of B? Can you guess what is the type of B? Can you guess? Yes, it's float. It's float. It's float. So here you need to understand one important point, that is numerical data means in Python, it will take data type as int. Floating point data, if you given, it will take floating point data type float. Are you clear? Hello? Understood? Yeah. Now come back to our discussion. Here we understood one important point. How you can say this language is easy compared with other language. Programmer doesn't have the pain to declare the data type. Are you clear? So float is one data type. When you have a number which is having fractional part, that is called floating point data. 10 is a numerical data because no fractional part. 10.5 is a fractional part, means floating point data. If anybody are not having the clarity about data types. Are you clear? Understood. Now let's see the example 3. Let's see the example 3. Are you clear? Come on, respond. I'll on your mics for 2 minutes, right? How you are attending the class? Are you getting bored? You can give your feedback with big voice. Disturb the class. That's why give your feedback with disturbing the class. I'm allowing you. Speak out. Be quiet. Okay. I went to one
Yes, sir.
college. I
It
went to
is
one
very
1 minute.
interesting.
1 minute. I went to one BTech college long back. I went to one BTech college to give a seminar. They asked me, what is your qualification? I said BA, MCA, degree BA, 5 years agriculture, then MCA. Then they asked me, no PhD, no MTech. I said no. Okay, are you clear? So they asked me, but I said, I don't have PhD, I don't have MTech. But in my class, student will be in 4 months, but a BCom student also will write program. In your college, student will be 4 years, but how they are writing programming, I don't know. Are you clear? Hello? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Education is
Yes,
not a
sir. Yes, sir.
matter.
Yes, sir.
10th
Yes, sir.
class, 10th class, second class, okay, inter, CAC, no maths, degree, my qualification, BA, then 5 years, agriculture, farming, tractor driving, then done MCA. Are you clear? So this is sitting in first bench, getting the last rank in my academics. So academics is different, career is different. Are you clear? Now I mute you. I mute you. Right. Whenever you are attending this type of valuable sessions, if you have any noise from your end, it's manners to mute yourself. When I was unmute you, my intention is I want to see your beautiful voice, not the disturbance, right? Clear? Respond in short, all of you. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. Example 3. In C# or Java, we have multiple numerical data types like SByte, short, int, long, byte, ushort, uint, ulong. Are you clear? And multiple floating point data types. Multiple floating point data types. Float, double, decimal. But in Python, we have only one numerical data type, only one numerical data type, that is int. Only one floating point data type, that is float. For example, I'll show you. Already written the code. Again, I'm writing that Python code to prove the above statement. Now I'm opening. I'm opening my code window, Python code window. I'm opening again. I declared a variable A equal to 10. Numerical type. Type of A, who are you? I'm int. B equal to 10.5. Type of B, who are you? I'm float. I'm float. Are you clear? Hello? Are you clear? Respond in chat window. Come on. Respond. Output. Example 1. Again here. Output. Here output. Are you clear? Are you clear? Hello? Clear? Clear? Yeah. With this, you have to understand one important point. If you initialize numerical value, you have only one numerical data type in Python, that is int. If you initialize the floating point data, then you have only one floating point data type, that is float. You don't have multiple data types like other languages. So that is the reason you can say Python is a very easy programming language for the programmer, right? This is the first feature which I want to tell you to you guys about Python. Like you have 10 to 11 features, 10 to 11 features, so many features. We give you 10 to 12 features to you. Are you clear? Understood all of you guys? Hello? Hello, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here I want to tell you one thing. Yeah. I'm going to tell you. We offer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mute yourself. Right. Only one thing. We offer Python course and .NET Job Guarantee Program. Okay. So I'll tell you about this very clearly. Only one thing is Python course and .NET Job Guarantee people who are completed BTech or degree or final years or third year 3132. Better to directly join this job guarantee program. It is 6 months course, 4 to 6 months, 4 to 6 months, full-time course. You will have training with placement. Are you clear? About that, I'll tell you later. In next classes, I'll tell you very clear. If you want to reach my team, you can call to my team. Right. You can call to my team. Ranjita, your number 9866. Ranjita, tell your number 177164. Santosh sir 7889. He is a Python faculty. Right. 7889. 886175. And Lakshmi. Sir, Lakshmi number. Nine eight 666 39 Which enough, these three numbers enough. Okay, right. Are you clear? So this is what I want to tell you. And are you clear? So about Python, what I want to tell you. Yeah, if you are a BTech first year, second year, want to learn coding, Python is the best. And third and final year people, better to go for job guarantee program. Even though you are BTech completed, degree completed also, job guarantee program. About that, I'll tell you very clearly. .NET job guarantee program means part 1, .NET internship. Part 2, placement program. So .NET internship will be 4 months. Full stack .NET coding. This will be 2 months. We place you. Are you clear? You will have a couple of interviews in my institute only. Reddy IT School. Yeah, any degree student can. I'll make a software engineer. Any degree, BA, BCom, MCA, or any degree, BTech, any branch. I'll do one thing. I'll show my YouTube channel and I'll show some interviews, what I have given in iDream also, my channel also. Right, 1 minute. I'm sorry. You can go to Reddy IT School. 1 minute, please wait. Yeah, you can watch this video. Yeah, you can see this guy's story. There are so many stories. Who got jobs? There are so many. You can see here my life story. This is my life story, 1 hour interview. I said very clearly, software job cheyataniki BTech MCA degree avasram ledu. And yeah, Yeah, you can see life stories. And this is generally we do some orphans, we give free education. You can, he is 2011 lo he passed MCA. We made him software engineer 2023 fresher. And 2012 lo pass ayyadu, 2022 he is fresher. Are you clear? Now, like that, there are so many. Chadwin the hotel management got job in software industry, right? Like you can see all these interviews. Uh, then you will understand what is the value of RN ready. Okay, right. We expose always very low profile interviews only, right? And about my software job guarantee program, you can watch this video, right? You will have. There are a lot of information you get in my videos. 2013 BSc, 2022 you got software job. Are you clear? Right. So you can watch about me. Generally, yeah, we will have a discussion about all these things in future classes also. And you can see B Pharmacy Chadwindi software lo job puttindi. She got job software, right? One line is important. There are no fresher jobs in Python. Python you are learning like a C language. C language. Don't expect best job guarantee program means .NET Java. But compare with Java, .NET is easy. Java bit difficult. That's it. This is my job guarantee program students video. Ameerpet beside Asian Satyam, you have left side ICICI Bank building. You will have my office. My life story interview. Right. Okay. And you can watch all these things. Right. Understood all of you? Hello. Are you clear? Responding chart. And we have 20 to 25 classes like this. And continuation we will have.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we will have. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. You can respond.
Sir.
You have
UPI
continuation.
QR code.
Tomorrow also we will continue the session same 8 to 9, and today it's a very less class, more general discussion because it's a first session. But don't expect like that. We will take 1.5 hour classes also once coding is started. Tomorrow almost we will enter into coding. Right? Do you want to enjoy the coding? 8 to 9, 8 to 9, 9:15. Max 9:30. Do you want to enjoy that coding? No, sir. Yes, sir, or no? Yes, yes. Very good. Excellent. And my concern to all the people is you visit my institute if you want to know more details. You have the address very clearly. You can call to my team or else directly you can come to my institute. You can go to Google, type RN Reddy IT School. RN Reddy IT School. You can Google. Then you can see the address. You have the address. Beside Asian Satyam, you have ICICI Bank in that building, first floor 102. Right. So, right. Thank you very much, guys. How did you enjoy the today class? Tomorrow we are entering into coding. And tomorrow I'll tell you how to install Python. And how did you enjoy this today class? Can you respond in chat? And really, who are already completed BTech and MCA looking for job, better to visit the institute directly. You don't worry, even though you have 10 years gap, even though you have your Telugu medium background, even though you studied BTech not 4 years, 7, 8 years, you don't require to worry. Okay, 9 to 5 is the institute timings. Are you clear? You don't lose your confidence. I am there. Just catch my hand. I'll never leave a hand till you get job. But you should have hardworking nature. You should have a good ambition that I want to become a software engineer. Even though you are passed in 2010, 11 also, don't worry. I'll place you as a fresher only. And but you should have a passion of learning coding and don't scare about whether can I learn programming or not. It's my responsibility to make you. But you need to give full time, like 9 to 6 for job guarantee program. Are you clear? So you will have what is the syllabus I'm going to teach in Python. Everything I'll explain to you. My intention to you all the guys is learn programming, become a software engineer. Future is completely software. You are BTech, EC, EEE, mechanical, civil, but more jobs are in IT and global opportunities you have. For better career, choose IT. Not required MTech, not required masters in abroad, nothing. Are you clear? Okay, now, right. Thank you very much. We meet tomorrow. Okay, right. Bye, bye, bye. We meet. Bye to all. Good night.